Hey everyone, it's the weekend and I'm in the mood for some scones. I'm making some citrus cranberry scones and they are going to be delicious. So let's get started. Add 1 1/2 cups of flour, a 1/2 cup of coconut flour, and a 1/2 cup of sugar, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then you mix these ingredients together, add a 1/2 cup of very cold butter, and the butter I'm using is plant-based, and make crumbs. For my citrus component, I'm zesting a lime and mixing it into my dry ingredients. For my wet ingredients, I have an egg, I have a 1/2 cup of coconut milk and 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. I'm using tangerine juice for that nice citrus flavor, and I'm mixing that in with a bit of nutmeg to bring out that citrus flavor as well. Now, I like a lot of dried cranberries, so I added about 3 handfuls to my wet ingredients, and then I combine the wet ingredients and dry ingredients. And the dried cranberries are nice and juicy from being hydrated in those wet ingredients first. Now my dough was feeling a little dry, so I added splashes of coconut milk to moisten it, and then I put my dough in the freezer to chill before working with it. On a floured surface, shape the dough into a circle, then slice the dough like a pie to get that nice triangular shape for your scones. I'm baking my scones on parchment paper, which has been lightly coated with some plant-based butter. And before placing the scones in the oven, I've brushed the dough with some oat milk for added crunch. Bake the scones at about 400 degrees for about 15 minutes until golden brown, and they are ready to enjoy. The scones are soft on the inside with a nice, beautiful crunch on the outside. And then you have that beautiful citrus flavor that brings the scones to another level. So try this recipe out, let me know what you think, and as always, thank you for watching Cooking in Opera.